What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the phone app, then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the phone app. So to clear this, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now from the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the voicemail will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after clearing the cache memory, then open settings, tap on more connectivity options, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now here tap on reset settings and here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. So after entering the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And resetting the network settings will fix the voicemail notifications not working issue. So that's how you can fix the voicemail not working on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.